It's Sunday. And we're still at it for make use of our time and every day of every week count, you know. Work hard now, play later. This truck just coming out of the country. And we not getting no customer no dirty vehicle. Freezer truck, everything at work, drive sweet. Look at scratches, minor scratches, and then on the front, we fix them there. And I touch out them there. So now we have to clean it up nicely. Inside. So before the little Duke man can touch up with him for touch up. You understand? Roland, how you stay? You good? Yeah, man. That is it. Every day of the week we work. We don't have time for partying and all that stuff. We work. Yeah? Blow off the engine, get it serviced. A whole heap of things before a lucky customer get this unit. Yeah? That's how we operate at Car Nation. 2017 Isuzu forward. Freezer truck, split body, it can compartmentalize. Trust me. Beautiful truck. Color up back them rims down, you know? They're nice him up. Blow up the sidewall them to Roland. The side them are everywhere. That is it. While I should be home resting with my family, I have to put in the work so the family eat. Yeah? Put in the work so the family eat.